So finally, the embargo has been lifted, and right now you can also purchase a Snapdragon X Elite based laptop that is running on Windows. Yes, you heard me right. Of course, it's been out for a while, but there has been an embargo not to even do a YouTube review or say anything about it until today. So today is the D-Day. You can buy, you can watch the review. But what exactly is Snapdragon X Elite processor about Windows? Why is it exciting? Okay, so first of all, Windows has been running basically on desktop and most laptop with Intel processors, which is x86. In general, also you have x64, which is 64-bit, and now you have x86 that is known as 32-bit, but in the past it's referred to as x86, and it is running the Intel's own architecture, which is instruction set architecture, ISA. Then the other hand, we have ARM instruction set, which is different from what Intel is using. ARM is reduced instruction set. So now what is the difference here is that ARM actually performs better for battery efficiency and also for devices that are not power hungry. And if you don't know, Apple was using Intel's processor until 2020 when they launched their own M processor that is based on ARM architecture. And M1 2020 MacBook is still one of the best in terms of power, efficiency, and all that. But right now, all that is coming to the Windows zone with Snapdragon X Elite. So I've seen the reviews, I've been waiting for that excitedly. And one of the things I'm most interested about is the emulation. Of course, AMR will not run some Windows Intel softwares without emulator, but the question is that in the past some of those emulators have not performed well. This time around they nailed it. The Snapdragon X Elite running emulation of x86 based application is top notch. Yes, of course it's ARM based, so there's going to be better battery life, there is a more efficiency, and yeah, you can now run some Windows laptop over 10, 15, 20 hours because of this Snapdragon X Elite. So yeah, let me hear from you in the comment section if you have any question, you have anything that you want to ask about this. So let's talk about it, and see you in the next one. It is peace.